Hi, I'm Tom Petz. I head up IT at Tandigm Healthcare. So I think AI probably gets the largest press, but I think it's important that we also consider the diversity of devices that are coming into healthcare. And I really see this kind of in two areas. So the first area is the diversity of the different types of instrumentation and the data that is now becoming available to us. We see obviously increased instrumentation in the hospital, in the office setting, and also moving down to the consumer level in terms of health watches or fit watches, fitness bits, and such technology like that, that obviously has a great level of diversity of data and challenges around integration. Corresponding to that diversity, I think also is in terms of the access to information and data, greater diversity in terms of the devices. Typically today in our practices, we see that for the most part, folks are still using PC-based systems to enter information and retrieve it. But I think you're going to see an increased use of consumerization in this space where you've got a greater diversity of devices, be it tablets, be it mobile devices with your phones, or even down to your watch level. And I think that's going to present a lot of challenges for us in terms of both how we design our applications as well as how we secure those devices. In terms of keeping up with these trends, I think probably the best leaders are really looking at the trends that are actually outside of healthcare and focusing and keeping abreast and well-informed of the trends across the whole of the industry. I think it's probably a very long time though before we really see AI in any type of replacement activity or in terms of really being able to make medical type decisions. I think healthcare is really, for a long time, really needs the high level of human touch, and I think therefore the assistive AI technologies are probably going to be the most beneficial. So Tandigm's been on a real transformation journey over the course of the last 2 to 3 years. We've really been making a movement from individual point applications and really driving towards a new experience that is integrated for all of our providers, for the practices, and also for our Tandigm employees. I think that's probably best demonstrated by our investment in the Arcadia platform, where we're starting to bring together our quality work, our risk work, and our care management work into a single unified experience. We've also paired that together with a major investment in our new data platform. We're putting Snowflake at the center to provide a very scalable enterprise data warehouse. We've adopted Data Vault as a methodology to give us some agility as we create applications in that space. And I think importantly, we've also started to bring in aspects of data quality, where we're bringing the validator tool set in to first profile the data at the point of ingestion, but then also use it as a tool to monitor the data quality over time so we can really be consistent. We have high quality data within our environment. The other key component we brought in really is Calibra, and that's really to start baking data governance into the whole application development lifecycle, so that data governance really is at the forefront rather than an afterthought as we develop our systems and our platforms. I know that Citius Tech has had a long relationship with Tandigm. I think what I've really seen is a very dedicated team focused on delivering a lot of business benefit to the Tandigm organization. So I feel that our goals are very much aligned in terms of that. I've also seen a strong commitment from the leadership of Citius Tech to ensure that we're really focusing in on the right areas and getting a good level of service. I think also in terms of willingness to change, I've seen the teams really start to adapt to some of our new processes that we're trying to put in place to bring increased delivery of solutions and better operations of those solutions in our environment. I think Citius Tech has really been a strong partner for us as we've really been working to drive tech enablement and changes within the Tandigm business.